Sarah runs a small catering business. She works 60 hours a week, but she checks her bank balance manually every morning. One missed invoice almost wiped out her entire operation last spring. She is not unusual. Most small business owners manage money the same way. Manual, slow, reactive, always a step behind. But this week something happened in the banking world, and it changes what is possible for people like Sarah. HSBC just expanded its AI banking partnership with Google Cloud. The announcement came out June 18th. It's getting coverage in financial circles, but almost nobody is connecting it to small business owners. Here is what is actually happening. HSBC is building real-time AI financial intelligence for its clients, pattern recognition across accounts, automated cash flow forecasting, smart alerts before problems hit. That is what enterprise banking looks like now. Intelligent, proactive, automated. And here is the part that matters to you. The same capabilities exist today, right now, using tools most business owners already have access to. The gap is not the technology, the gap is knowing how to wire it together. Let me show you exactly how this works. First, understand why cash flow kills small businesses. Not low revenue, not bad products. Cash flow timing, money goes out before money comes in, an invoice waits 30 days, a supplier bill arrives in 10. That gap destroys businesses every single week. Big banks like HSBC are solving this for enterprise clients with AI. Real-time visibility, predictive alerts, automated reconciliation. Small business owners have been left to figure it out themselves until now, because the tools to build this exact system exist today, free or nearly free. No banking relationship required, no enterprise contract, just a laptop and an hour of setup. This is where things get genuinely interesting. The system has 3 layers, a data layer, an intelligence layer, an alert layer. Let me walk you through each one. The data layer is your financial inputs, your invoices, your recurring expenses, your payment timelines, your client payment history. Most people have this scattered everywhere, email threads, spreadsheets, paper. The first move is pulling it into one place. Notion works perfectly here, so does Google Sheets. Even a simple Airtable base works fine. The goal is a single live view of money in and money out. Dates, amounts, status, that is your foundation. Now here's where the intelligence layer changes everything. Once your data is in one place, you connect AI to it. Notion AI can summarize your financial patterns. It can flag months where expenses historically spike. It can identify which clients pay late every single time. You can paste your last 90 days of transactions into ChatGPT, ask it to find patterns, ask it to predict your next cash crunch, ask it what months you should avoid taking on large expenses. This is what HSBC is paying Google Cloud to build. You can approximate it today for free. And this surprised me when I first tested it. The insights are genuinely useful, not generic, not obvious, actually specific to your numbers. Hold that thought for a second, because the alert layer is where this system becomes proactive, not reactive. If you want to stay ahead of what is coming in AI every week, consider subscribing for more practical breakdowns like this one. Back to the alert layer. Most business owners find out about cash problems when they happen. The AI system finds out 3 to 6 weeks early. Here's how you build it. Set up a simple recurring prompt every Monday morning. Paste your updated numbers. Ask one question. Based on my current income and expenses, will I have a cash flow gap in the next 30 days? That question alone changes how you manage money. You stop reacting. You start anticipating. You can get more sophisticated over time. Zapier can automate parts of this. Make.com can connect your invoice tool directly to your tracking sheet. Some bookkeeping tools like Wave already have light AI built in, but even the basic version works. Even a beginner can run this. Let me come back to Sarah for a moment. After that near disaster last spring, she started doing something simple. Every Monday, she spent 15 minutes with ChatGPT and her numbers. Not a full audit, just a pattern check. Within 2 months, she caught a slow-paying client trend. She renegotiated payment terms before it became a problem. She started the busy season with cleaner cash flow than ever before. She did not hire a financial advisor. She did not buy expensive software. She just started asking better questions with better tools. That is the whole idea here. The intelligence that used to cost enterprise clients thousands per month is now accessible to anyone who knows how to ask for it. And this week's news makes that even more clear. When a bank like HSBC doubles down on AI financial intelligence with Google Cloud, it is signaling something. Financial decision-making is moving to AI permanently. The question is whether you are building that capability yourself or waiting until someone charges you for it. Now, let me be direct about what this is not. This is not a replacement for a real accountant or financial advisor. If your business has complex tax situations, get professional help. If you are making major investment decisions, get professional advice. This is a cash flow awareness system, an early warning system, a pattern recognition layer. It makes you a smarter client when you do talk to professionals because you walk in with actual insight, not just a pile of bank statements. Let me also say something about the tools themselves. Notion AI is not complicated. If you have never used it before, you can be set up in an afternoon. The free tier is enough to start. ChatGPT requires no setup at all. You already know it works. Most people just do not think to use it this way. Google Sheets with Gemini built in is free. It can analyze your data directly. No copy-paste needed. The barrier to building this is not technical ability. The barrier is knowing it is possible. And now you know, this is the detail that often gets overlooked in conversations about AI and banking. The headlines go to the enterprise deals, HSBC and Google Cloud, big numbers, big infrastructure. But the practical opportunity flows downstream to anyone willing to build a simple version themselves. Think about what this means for different types of people. A freelancer tracking 3 or 4 clients, a restaurant owner watching food costs spike every quarter, a contractor managing project deposits and material orders, an e-commerce seller balancing inventory and ad spend. Every one of these situations has the same underlying problem. Money moves unpredictably, and humans are bad at catching patterns manually. AI is very good at catching patterns. That is literally what it was built to do. The combination of your financial data and a simple AI prompt is genuinely powerful. More powerful than most people realize until they try it. Start simple. 1 week of data, 1 honest conversation with an AI tool, 1 pattern you did not know was there. That is all it takes to see what this can do. Next month, this will look different. More tools will have this built in natively. More banks will roll out AI layers to everyday accounts. More small business platforms will integrate forecasting automatically. The people building the habit now will have a real advantage. They will already know how to read AI financial output. They will already trust it. They will already be ahead. Drop a comment below. What part of your business finances takes the most time every week?